Today, HR teams have core systems and an ever-growing list of issues that fall outside their boundaries. The result? Makeshift and disconnected documents, spreadsheets, and point solutions with little to no support from IT. Let me introduce you to GraceBlocks. We let you create connectable software solutions via point and click. Think of it like Minecraft, but for HR technology. GraceBlocks lets builders, your HR ops, talent ops, even the eager training director or talent advisor, shore up the white space between the systems you're using. We're focusing on all the workflows your teams are hacking together using documents and spreadsheets because there is no off-the-shelf tool that perfectly matches the need. With GraceBlocks, you can easily make blocks that stand alone in getting the job done, or use our services to connect and extend your legacy systems. Whatever you build is inherently connected inside GraceBlocks. Use GraceBlocks to solve emerging issues where no planning was possible. For example, vaccination tracking for your employees. Find yet another point solution, spend weeks with IT customizing something, or spend a few minutes. And with a few clicks, you've built a block. Next, add a tab with the necessary fields like date administered, which vaccine, and the vaccination card attachment. When you build on GraceBlocks, you define your schema, unlike most systems you know, where there's a set of standard fields and a preset bank of custom fields. In other words, no fields you don't need, and all the fields you do. Here's a mobile-friendly web form I've easily designed in minutes using point and click. It's what employees will complete. These forms can be richly formatted with logos and branding. They can be multiple pages if needed, and can include rich text for agreements or other purposes. Web forms can even include advanced settings for things like tracking pixel support and dupe check management. It's all possible on our free plan for the first 1,000 records. As you continue to collect data, move to a paid plan. If you have enterprise-level needs, work with us to integrate your core systems or design workflow-based texting or email options through our active services arm, GraceBlocks. Here's another use case: text messaging management between recruiters and all their candidates. Forget contracting and integrating yet another service provider. We've baked it right into the platform. If you haven't already, now is the time to take advantage of the rapid response times and skyrocketing response rates you can get from working with candidates on their preferred medium, their phone. Get started with the template candidate messaging block. Tailor it for your team, as shown here. In this example, the homepage has been updated to provide richly formatted information and visuals to help with user adoption. Tabs let you track related information like jobs, programs, or pipelines that candidates are organized into. Tabs work together through relationships that are established in the schema that is built behind the scenes. Once the message field is added to a tab, this activates text messaging. GraceBlocks will auto-procure a local phone number for you. Users can choose to work in the messaging-focused view, which supports user-initiated mass texting to up to 50 individuals at a time. You can also schedule messages and leverage templates to ensure message consistency. The real power comes in the simplicity to deliver systems that track exactly what your business needs, rapidly, all while using a secure, simple, and consistently familiar design. Maybe it's one of these two use cases. Or maybe it's about goals management and alignment, or mass hiring, job fairs, managing your annual company meeting, or employee offboarding. These are some of the use we've been exploring with recent customers. Whatever you build can be accessed from desktop or our mobile app for Android and iOS. Think about that. It means you, yes you, can build a mobile app for your whole team in minutes on GraceBlocks. GraceBlocks, let's build together.